Alright, so this is going to be the 2026 1080p HD remake video of the 52-inch polished brass Hampton Bay Glendale ceiling fan, which is installed in the downstairs bedroom at a Roblox house. The reason why I'm doing this 1080p HD remake video is because that's my favorite house in this entire game. That's actually one of my favorites. So since I did 2025, I decided to do those remake videos of this. So yeah. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look at it. Right, so here it is. All three of the bulbs are incandescents. Here's the Hampton Bay pull chains. Of course, they are original to the fan. And here's the reversing switch. That's good. As you can see, it's got reversible Gilda mahogany blades to dark oak to regular oak. It's flush mounted. I thought it was, at first it was 42 inches, but since I found out that the blades are a little bit bigger, it's 52 inches. I have to change the Glendale video to it. 52 inches. So yeah, now I'm going to give you the demonstration of it. Alright, here goes the light. As you can see, all three of the bulbs are functional. Here's low speed. So I decided to do those videos because some of you might get requested to do those kind of videos, like what I'm going to do on Roblox and in my real house as well. Because I thought I would like to do more of those 1080p videos. Alright, here goes medium. Here's medium speed. So I'm going to do the rest of the fans. But a couple fans have changed lately when I came to this house today. So there's a couple new fans I realized in the basement. Alright, here goes high. Going super fast. Goes super fast. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.